I'm Peter Kosmala. I'm the course developer and instructor in information privacy at York University. We've designed a program that will verse you in the fundamentals of information privacy. So that's the laws, standards, and practices as they exist today in Canada, in the private and public sector, but also around the world. We also put an emphasis on technology, given that it's such a critical issue driving privacy today. And I think most critically, we talk about how to operationalize privacy practices. We do simulated exercises which provide you real situations in privacy, whether that's a breach incident or a misuse of information. So you're actually collaboratively working your way through the issue. You know which legal requirements you need to comply with, but also how to practically solve the issue at hand. This is a great time to come into the profession. Privacy is a very unique issue. It's not quite like security because privacy is so personal and it's very cultural. So it has different expectations and preferences all around the world depending on the people that you're serving or that you're interacting with. It's going to expand your knowledge just not in terms of how people view information, but how they live and work and how you can have a fundamental and positive impact on that in terms of the personal information that they're entrusting you to handle for them.